Yeah. Sometimes the things that need in life can be difficult. The time ain't gonna be easy. I saw it all, smoke the marijuana and get stay above the wicked and flow. Hey. I'm feeling so very good about myself. Babylon ain't feeling good down. Hey. I smoke the marijuana and get stay above the wicked and hey, hey. I give Lord Chiba a hard weed, boy. What? Don't smoke the marijuana and all of what me what? Stay above the wicked. Look the weed in his center there. Lord Chiba is the father of all rastas. Watch how I handle up my gods them. This small little altar is the most millionaire altar, boys. Everybody gain help. Everybody gain help. My fire walking. Hey, amen, boy. Hey. For that I'm going to play next song. You know I just start my evening up with a little song. You know how it is be. Hear this one now. Hear this tune, hear this tune, hear this one. Let me see if they do this song, yeah. Yeah. All ever hear the talk? Yeah. Hey. Oh, let's share this video. Now, Benalo, here why. They can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown. Watch it here. What's my prayers then? My crown. I say no man curse. They thought it could be worse. They say Modern Charles going mad to Nabenalo because we going to God? Hey, because why? I'm so solid as a rock. You can't stop me now. All you have to kill me. Even if they set up, they just can't. Kamlan Rowley. Bolaman Monilal, go ahead. Rabi B, go Orisha. Go your Orisha. Hey. All that I never do me over here. Father is the nasty man. I never do me that. But his father doing that to reach his son on top. You understand, people? That is what he doing. He sold for his son because he give me the money from Paul and Paul in a way when they give me $1,800 to jam Rabi B. You understand? I come to wake up all you about the artists them. I come to tell you how Bunji Garlin win $1 million and he keep this song called Maestro Fiery. I come to put up Rabi B and all of them. You understand? You know why? That is what I had to do and let the people know the truth. Because Ade Samaru, if you call me, bro, hey! I swear to Mother Kali, Ade Samaru, you better talk to me. You're coming for this song. Me again, nobody. I keep telling you, I put my name, your name under my altar, and Ades, you're doing well in a way, boy. Amen, boy. I help you, Ades. Yeah, in me, boy. I swear, Moses Charles' name under my altar. I jam Crabman, and I jamming Nigel Gobin. I pull him back, I pull back out Nigel Gobin, halfway out. You understand? So Kai Elvis is my friend. Kenneth Salek was my friend, but he said, look, Big Rich, I will bend up this cutlass in your head. Are you ready, boy? Are you ready physical for all you? I deal with all in the pot, boy. I will jam Ria. Ria is a nasty girl. Ria, you and that Silochon family is the stinkest thing in that base, girl. I want to meet Richard, but Richard has called me out. I want to meet you, Ria, to go down a road. But go on, pull it that way. Like you are going down that road, girl. You know how much time I follow you and Selras Mahabir? People are locked onto this Facebook. All you hold on, boy. Don't kill that woman, boy. Brethren, when you think about going to kill that woman, knowing that there is a God, and the God can provide for you better than a woman, or I tell you that. You understand? I tell you that. Who is them?
Learn to drive.
Oh, they learn to drive. Anybody in the street here, again, war. Anybody passing in this kind of street here, full of authorization. Anybody coming, I will shoot up their car. Come. Come. And I don't care about Shogunat police station. Put Shogunat police station at a pat down. All of them pat down. You see how they pat them down? Because they're afraid of Obia by. The Obia going all in the house and harassing them. You understand? Thanks I will be given. Samantha James! Samantha James are coming down my you to jam. Samantha James, I know you like the little Obia, but my Obia, I'm bringing the Obia for you. While I'm living to the Father, I will pray. Only Him know how me get through. Every day is only pay the price. I'm a living of His day. While only the say, people are rip on a rock, all a going gold. Thief never love to see thief with long bag. Oh no. Kamlan Rowley, the two thief, they don't like to see each other with long bag. God envy soul. What is to stop the youth from get out? Boy for money. Them not run a pay road. The clothes that me I to go on and on. All you nasty. Hey, why am I living wild? I will jam all you. Kamlan Rowley have to come to me, boy. Anytime they come, I will jam them in the pot. All of this kind of power I generated. Oh goon boy. Oh goon boy. Papa O sign on the element fire boy. Come around me. Jay Makali. Blood of Jesus Christ. Who again I had on in the corner here? All the gods. Name them. So Ram, Sita, everybody are coming with. Are coming with a power pack like this here. See that? You see that there? You see that there? In front of this here is Jesus and Shiva. And all the rest are gods coming down here. And in the middle here, I have all the mothers here. And I jamming on it like an arrow boy, like 1 inch cup where Bruce Lee makes. The 1 inch cup where Bruce Lee makes. I will jam all the boy. Never been told. Call me man. Call me man.
You remember when you and Dale and Darren singing that song?
How long that was?
Huh?
How many years that was? Look me here. I don't know thirsty man boy. I like my little thing. I talk to all you and I can like my hard weed. Because here we're going on. Bob Marley boy. All of that man and Bruce Lee. All of KI smoking weed. KI bullying in the bottom too. The Deltas them talking by when all you and Stinky, Salim Bayari take the wooden and the man they call, where is the name boy? Nishal Sultan boy. Hey, oh goon. All the madness going are coming back. Yes, Nishal Sultan, you and Stinky who handbrake Stinky Bihari. I don't give a damn because I don't want a friend from all you. But here I telling you, you was in a room, and the room all you had jockey shorts on, and there's only man in the room. What are going on, boy? All you didn't want me around, all you, boy. All you didn't want me around, all you, boy. That chutney industry, I come to mash it up. George Singh, anytime you will listen, I come in down South Texas and I dealing with you personally. I'm making a jail, boy. I'm making a jail in Trinidad and Tobago for something. You see, you're showing Abu Bakar went in. Take care of me going in Trinidad and Tobago and going up in Parliament and telling the government have been overthrown. Take care, I be the man to do that. You understand? And I intend to go in jail. I intend to dead. And when I intend to dead, I don't know what I'm going to do. Me I interfere with innocent people. No innocent people. I don't know. I want to go to Parliament with my spirit and my zombie. I must have that power with God to have the evil force or human being. Because people say Rowley, Kamla, they call it anonymous, and they say they're coming in Parliament with a big crew and beat everybody. Don't chop up all your thing and shoot all you know. Cut all your ass, cough up all your, beat up Vassan Bakiat, beat up all of them, beat up the PNM. Nasty man Darrell Smith. When I beat you so you shut shit young, when I beat you you get fucking old. That way all I want. Beat up all you, because you team up with Young, you team up with Alwari, and you team up with the next one. All you don't get me vexed, all you I gain real vex because I frustrated all you, and I'm not killing myself, I'm not hanging myself like, hey, look my father here, like who hanged themselves?
Your mother.
Oh, and who again? Shiva Bagalu. How much money he take from me and that woman down the road?
$1,000.
$1,000 when he hang himself in a place and keep calling me, and my father know he lying. Tell them how you know he lying and he hang himself.
You could have seen the guilt in the man's face, boy. The thing is that the thing he telling all to do and to come and to bring this and that and all kind of stupidness, boy. I don't get he vibes already. He was lying all the time. You understand?
And the man beg money, lad. Like Moninal's cousin. When the man call him Moninal for money, they ducking him, boy.
Yeah.
And the man hang himself, why? To show Moninal and them nasty. You buy air, use that shit tongue. Use that shit tongue. You should have put it in the paper. Chiva Bagalu. You hang yourself, by everything coming back, by everything coming back. And you see them people and them who are going down in Felicity, keep all their money. My mother has helped me, the next man also keep your money. A man come in this evening, I go and check him. I have my temple building who bring tanks. The grocery bag making tanks. I am a mission. You understand? I pissed off and I come to jam them. Let me tell you something. I had everything I want, but I don't want nothing. All I want is to see whatever it is, and I will jam them till they come and help me, till they come and give me what I deserve. Man, I'm Kamla. All them things I do for all you come and help me, boy. Come and help me pay that whole year loan when I trip off like Navasa and all of them. All of them come and help me. And anytime all you come to help me, I will jam all you. Keith Rowley, PNM, I is a PNM, and they pay money to thief the ballot box. So you is a nasty man. Keith Rowley, I will jam you again. Madam Kamla, you going up in the air, it is alleged people sail and throwing dead man ashes out for 400 children and Tobago. And you're only doing hog puja. Good evening, mommy. Good evening, mama. You understand? You're only doing hog puja. Let me see you, Ramlo. You understand? It's only she could calm me down right now, man. I don't want to hear about nobody. Big up to Nicholas who come here, Redo. The man who's calling us so, he reached by me. Me, I want to pop nobody name and thing. They personal business. Who coming by me is personal. Only when I have a talk, I don't call nobody name by. I fix it everybody. That man going and get through. Everybody going and get through. No. I'm going to release in a station tomorrow. Again, radio DJs from 96. I'm waiting for the call. I'm going on a radio tomorrow. All this stressing them out. Zogi. Organize my thing for me. I didn't want to call your name. That is my parang. You didn't want to think. I don't organize it. I pay my money, brother. I don't want to trip off again. Personally, I call in the boys and I call in the spirits on the spirits in the pot. That anybody who interfere with me and robbing me, mommy, today they come, ranking thing out the road, Bunny going mad, and they saying my Obia go reverse, and jam him in the pot, and he fucking mad. Out the road, if you see, fuck a let Edu boy, tell anybody talk, Edu is a nasty man. I don't want to hear about Edu and Credo and Pidu, them is shit snake. Them don't want to this and them don't cuss and them don't and they cussing Mother Kali. You ever hear a Muslim tell a don't call Allah name, but he's a mother contour. All of them Muslims, don't make me be all here. Don't make me tell all about Prophet Muhammad, and don't make me tell all about Ishmael, and tell all about the true thing, and offend all the Muslim. Muslim people, all your shit snake robbers. You see who overtake the country? Muslim. All you play with me. And you see King Solomon summons everything. Now, last program, you see all the cussing religion. But my program and them bad boy. Now I come to tell all you something. This caused everything. Where they? Alright, let me see with this. This caused everything. Feel this. Another one. Modas. Aha. Brand new out of this. Pongo, right. Pongolunks. Bolaman Pongolunks. Right. What I hear about? I cannot see Passad. Bon song. Cannot see Passad never do me nothing, but he afraid me. Look at weed still here, pulling it along. I don't smoke, watch. So, look at it. Yeah. I was yeah, what you say? Truck was very full. Right. Yeah, listen all you. I feel to beat Big Richard. Nasty man, Big Richard's hunter. Big Richard take chain up at Ravi B. Because you say if you come after me, Ravi B and them go vex with you. So take that chain up, you nasty dog.
Hunter names for what I've seen.
Yeah, hunter. Yeah. Master Blaster, you know, new Chutney Monarch and new management. Yeah, no. Say he lost all the ball. So I come to tell you the story for. Where he lost all the ball, he forget to call the name. I come to bust the facts because they are no shame. It's robbery and chutney, that's why I'm singing this. To stop all them fellas, them who singing stupidness. Look, he get a bull by Robbie B and one by Big Rich. He get a bull by K.I. and even Ricky Jai. He get a bull by Hunter and he what the whole world know that Annan have a bull for him, but it's up in Toronto. Aye, aye, aye. He didn't live in Toronto. I have plenty trouble. I like Bacchanal, you see, because I is the black sheep of the Chutney family. But all you know, never I feel. Put them for road march. That is what I'm going to share this video. You understand? Positive song we want. Yeah. Say he get a bull on a mango tree, but bull can't climb who go believe he. What you saying in your song, you didn't make sense. Vikash was calling you to give you a bull by defense. Rick Ram was passing and you didn't YMC. That is why you and Vikash fly up the mango tree. Look, he get a bull by Jason and one by George Singh. He get a bull by Omar Dat. If you see how he's smiling, he get a bull in eye candy from DJ Greg. And in a cemetery, he take a bull from a dead. Aye, aye, aye. I had to jam them all here. I had to do that. I is that. Iria, Tina Rhymes, baby girl. Hey, the black sheep girl. The black Shaolin Mike. Vikash vex because the ex about. Vikash vex because the ex about bull de fan ex. Gotta get a bakery for you. Gotta be sing about bread. My mother called me about bread here. Yeah. And they're telling your partner, John Jay-Z have a bull for you in Guyana. And Tommy and Sprang, they're waiting for you. Instead of one bull, they say they're going to give you two. And the showstopper, he say what the heck. He light up a cockset to prevent the mark for me neck. Look, he get a bull by Adesh and one by Rakesh. He get a bull by Andy and Salikin Grady. And anyone and all you want a chutney showdown, I set like a cobra and I waiting for all you to come. Aye, aye, aye. That I couldn't take. But yeah, what? The story I bring into you now. When I sing that for Kenneth Sipasal and we verse and we extempo out, I jam them. Kenneth say na by waka. Kenneth Sipasal never do me obia. Kenneth Sipasal say a bad. I is the best. He big me up Navin Lalu. You could remember the next when I jam him that song Navin Lalu and you say waka you mash him up by. The world know that boy. No. Nasty man Ravi B. When I was home watching the Chutney Monarch, right? When I was home watching Chutney Monarch, bro, grieving because nasty man George Singh. You give me a try this here. Didn't even pick me any problems. He take me CD and show Big Rich and me throwing it away, boy. And I'm spending all my money and I'm going down. Everybody leaving me. Everybody say, can you that shit on your song is shit. Because they're playing and they're picking me people. But I keep jamming them. Because I can work. When they're locking me all over now and I seen Chutney Monarch. And you could remember, right? Everybody jumping up. Ravi B this, if you see him. And I see Ravi B lost. And I say, if all you like, oh God here, take something and pelt on the stage. I have it recorded. Right? But when he do that in the morning, as he do it next day, is this. Bacchanal, Bacchanal! I'm going to tell you the story after this song. I want to tell you something about the man called Ravi B. In the Chutney Monarch, how we disrespect Ricky. The people and them saying it is not a rum song. So they decide to give the Jai master the drum to Ravi B. Oh, why you get on so? You will not get on so if the Chutney price the whole Ravi B. It is clear to see you're showing the whole nation of your money hungry on Ravi B. Oh, why you get on so? You will not get on so if the Chutney price. You know why? That's when he do me and he jam me. He called my father and he put me all in his station with Nasty Man Saddam Hussein. Remember that? They when I meet Hussein and Bolaman Ian Allen. They afterwards, Francois, yeah. I is a young artist, what I see I just sing about, and I just walk Dharma to put food inside my mouth. And when you see your lost boy, you went in a rage, and you tell the people them by the belt of this beat. Oh, why you get on $2 million? You vex Ricky Jai win. Ricky Jai set me up. I don't care about the past. I have to remember it keep haunting me. So I have to let everybody know and jam them back. Show them to hell with them boy. It is little. I go in there, some recording deal thing coming in. Something coming in. I know the God bringing it to me. And if I am man righteous to God, I don't have to worry. I don't have to worry people because I know God and if anything, then something wrong. There you go. The reason why you are hearing plenty about me because I is one of the black sheep of the Chutney family and it seemed to everybody like you was running down money. That is by the 2 million check was me go to Ricky's or Rapidy. Oh why that was Chutney Monarchy next year boy. Hey, they couldn't butter on my paws raising by all that by. Unruly girl, the unruly girl who doing the video. When I put the CD in the car and I tried to play the song for you twice, the deck cut off and I don't lie, the song have power in it people. Yeah, every time I put the song in the deck cut off, CD can't play, stick it. Every time I play that baby song for the girl to hear boy. All them like lab and till. I jamming them boy. All them badge on like this song. Yeah. Yeah, that piece, High people say you should be shamed. The next thing you do, you give karma a bad name. And when you don't do something, sorry can't help you. That is why they calling you the blonde head boo-boo. You didn't like that? You understand? Nisha B called my wife in the night and tells you she got jam me and she couldn't handle me on the road because I block it all over. So they better jam me spiritually. But yeah, you know see him? You understand it now? All my paws raising, but the truth has to come out. And Rabbi B ain't gonna catch you anyway. They fucking war. Make it a threat. I gonna make a jail. And I will have matter police lock marks. I'm willing to one pocket spend some time in jail. Go come. While we're going to highway and live. And one by one, I know that I'm jamming all in the pot. That kind of thing you do, you have no reason. You should have get put by your sister neighbor bison. And it is a legend accent if it is true. They say what them woman want, but you just ask for it too. So Rabbi B, you didn't like that. You say I call the king of Bolaman. As if I call the king of Bolaman, then you're the king Bolaman. Nasty. I will call the back on. I don't care. Because let me tell you something. Nobody didn't know I was going through it. For my years, me and the wife here, beaten up in the ground, she neck swelling and bawling Rabbi B. But you, hey, watch her, watch, Falcock Press, here up by nasty man Henry White, waste of fucking time. That goat press, I will done them. If that people coming by me, who go in by all them Orisha, and they say they shit snake. That what happened, she gone by Henry White and gone talking in coffin box, and X by Y, and I jam them. Rabbi B and them deal with them, and KI. All you come by me, boy. I showing all the Jesus blood, boy. Who is me? But I is Jesus, boy. And I go then, how me a dead? How me a dead? Eh? And then name is bad. Hey, I dealing with the man from Princess Tongue. Eh? Or the man from Princess Tongue who doing the human sacrifice with the 3 babies and killing the 18-year-old daughter. You is a shit tongue, boy. Come around me, Madam Kamla, the Hog Puja, where you was to go and do by Baba Steve, come around me. Keith Rowley, you admitted live on the Facebook, I have it recorded. You were doing Patrick Manning Obia, come around me. All you on fooling people by, and them Emmanuel Bones and shit thing by Emmanuel Bones, they say he take his bones, put it by the cross. I have a coffin box here coming. I have Emmanuel Bones, can't come for Emmanuel Bones. But all you realize, Mama Oya, all you realize is Kali, is Papa Osine. The man cussing Papa Osine, boy. The man cussing Jesus Christ, boy. The man saying, I will suck Ogun balls and come here and take my blade and talking about the neighbor next door and talking about Henry White. But I don't give a damn about what happened to you and Henry White, Baba Steve. You saw you get shut down, I is the boss. No matter how it come. Is in the pot it's working. And I will summon my demon like King Solomon. I will summon my demon like the great King Solomon, because Jesus Christ say, greater than King Solomon is here. Why you say Job? Why you say Enoch? You know why he say King Solomon? Ha 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 ha. Because them deutas I working with, King Solomon used the same deutas to jam all the boy. You realize Facebook and everybody and who locked on are predicting every single thing. You see how many people come in me? They come in just over.
And they getting help.
Oh, I didn't want to say that. God talked through my father. Just like when Simon Peters and Jesus Christ, he asked him, hey, who I is by? Who people say I am? He says, some say you is John the Baptist. Some say you is the reincarnation of Isaiah. He said, every leaf on every tree is different. Whom do you say I am? You watch up. I call my father answer. He said, you is God's son, but you is the Messiah. He said, flesh and blood didn't reveal that to you, but my Father which is in heaven. So my Father and whatever happening here is only the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit rocking here now, boy. I get rid of all them heavy vibes from wrong me. And all Jordan, I see you call me, whatsoever, you on your own, stay on your beat. Right now I busy. Right now I want to be by myself, and my own thing I'm talking publicly. I don't give a damn when I in powers. When I in powers, and think I can't lie and think I let everybody know what's going on, boy. I letting them know, boy. Them feeling them catching any Shakti and jumping up and hallelujah. By them a shit snake, because none of them Christian them can even feed a poor man. Who playing nice Christian man, they're bullying down the place with the pastor and all kind of thing. But when I meet them so, woman and man are bending up their cutlass and all that. The unruly boy this morning, Bernie, you're going mad, and you're sending your boys them and saying my OB go backfire, and there's rankers, and when I drag that blade and I drag my AR, what happened to them? Eh? Ain't gonna come and shoot up 5 bullets in my place? Nasty man, why are you coming again? But I will put on one all here, because God know I will pull it on. So let me tell you what's going on. The Deuta's working. So when all they thinking about coming to me, as all they make a step coming, all they falling down in the hole, the same hole all they trying to, but all they can't come around me by. All they can't come around the dandaran by. I come here to rule by, and I come not me, you know, the gods them talk, because nobody didn't know what I going through. Nobody know what I talking about. The gods them telling me by that blood prayers and that hog puja, that bird prayers, them thing is shit. Them things sending people mad. What about Omar Dat Maharaj when he do the prayers? Omar Dat convinced that he get sick for a year, boy. For that with that nasty goat prayers. And the next one called Rishi Mahatu when he baby dead. What about Rajendan Raj? He fall up on the bed and dead. Talk now. Why all they come around me, put my name in a bottle, for cock prayers on the Facebook, and do all them kind of shit? Why all they do it? Put me down, Monash Temple, with the lodge, with the same Bulaman Tolbos Jr. from in the base, the nasty, but Henry White. All they put him on Facebook, boy. And Rhea come at a chain here 3 weeks ago with the star and saying she's the devil. Oh, a month ago. And she come and say, she's the devil when the chain boss and thing. She said, the devil. I say, you the devil. I will fuck the devil and breed the devil, of which I do already. She can't answer me again. She said, the devil, I go marry Henry White. And I said, bullshit. Cock bull. Bullshit. Shit. Not like you. Anybody go in and gain problem by them, come by me. Come by me, and I guarantee you, listen to what I'm telling you from your heart, your soul, and your mind. Not only the heart to be clean, and you're bullying 2 women, you have 2 wives in a house, but I shit by. I don't want to hear about them by. If God don't like that, so that's why you will have problem. If either man will have 2 wives in a house, and either woman a horn your mother's by, and I don't care about what you doing, you can't do me nothing. Yeah, the same thing I tell them about, I tell them Sewak, Jagru. And just like them thing, little bit 2 women in the house, I jam you. Just what happened to them? They getting dotish. Eh? Pundit Ram from 500. Taps out. You can't sell a fucking marijuana or a cigarette. You them rob you. Tall boy, he rob you. When I was in Lavante last week, and I walking up in the thing, and I was there, and I was in Crown Trace. All they telling me how I provide and I'm taking gun, and I'm playing rank, and I want to, I killer. I ain't no killer, boy. Rasta City and Muslim me Maryland, boy. Two of them, I don't give a damn. I want peace. I want righteousness. All you go and watch Bulaman Ian Allen and go and let you see pop all them police because he working for me too. Bulaman Ian Allen working for me and when I'm ready I go take his soul. I tell you that. Goat praise Ian Allen with your hand. Baphomet goat Ian Allen. Is Baphomet Kobo now boy. Baphomet Kobo now boy. Not Baphomet chicken on the end never fly over on top of day for when everybody going down south. When the whole country going down south, they getting dotish with the Baphomet chicken on top of the flyover to fuck up Kamlan. What about Dr. Eric William? He was the biggest Obia man. When Eric William and Robinson, what you say?
Well, he gone. Robinson see go on a plane.
Robinson see go on a plane and going back in the building. Must it to change up thing and to thief money and to do what he do. And when he walk in, he see him there still. But that man was great lodgeman by he do Obia for his education.
You see money chairs along here?
Yeah. Dave Lodgeman, he do Obia. But let me tell you something. The Obia is not a problem, but it's how you use it by. I love God. Because God asked Job a question with an answer. Asking him, when God asked the devil the question, is an answer he wanted. He said, you consider my servant Job? Where you think the devil to wrong and tell him, boy, you need to get you big money, you see? I hate. The devil working for God all year. He didn't them think about Adam and Eve but it was Adam and Lily. Woman and man make equal. And God made man and say, man, you go be boss. And the woman and the man said about, I the boss, shit on woman, take care of bow to me. The woman get vexed and say, but I equal to you, boy. I not bowing to you, and I start a fight. And God appear and God say, woman, I really put man forward on her. The woman said so wrong and say, but you, God, I don't like that. He telling her, he mocking me and laughing and not bowing to you because I equal to you. I go in. That's why I have a goddess. And then God put him in the bed. Shit, book. I don't want to hear about that. I don't want to hear about that. Right? So that's why I try to tell you that there are hidden things beyond that, people. Where there's Obia and free will and X by Y and where they have to do, but I don't give a damn by. You understand? I am righteousness. All the way. You understand? I ain't 500 here. Look, Imshan, my boy, Imshan across the road there, you don't know. I think man will give me the bygone and give me the air. He all the talk, Imshan does what? The whole world, all you know what talking about, I'm a neighbor. He's a nice man. He will give anybody anything. And they like him too. I don't give a damn, and I'm not on races. He will always say that. Imshan, I could cuss up Imshan now and go and say Imshan I want $40 the next day. Imshan go give me it. You understand? I just know you must tell something. Always cussing and getting on. If I see anyone of my neighbor fall long, I pick them up. And I will cuss up their ass too. I still love them. But I will jam the nasty minds in them. You understand? That's what it's about. So people are going and are coming down the road. Hey, I'm coming down the road now with my boys, brother. I'm coming down in day by day. And tomorrow, we going to be with Toppy Boss up in Lavantil in Rock City. You don't know. Unless see me live in Rock City, live on the Facebook, live all about. So all you don't know, bless up 4871789. The return of the Wakaman, madman, name it all you. Name it a great king. King Solomon was a great king because he become one with the universe.